How to remove echo and audio feedback in Google Meet. So if you want to remove echo and audio feedback in Google Meet, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So let's get started. First, make sure that you are using headphones or earphones. Most echo and feedback issues happen when your speaker sound is picked up by your microphone. Wearing headphones helps stop that instantly. If you're using your device's built-in speakers and mic, then try lowering your speaker volume. This reduces the chance of the mic catching the sound from your own speaker. Next, you need to click on the three dots, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Then click on the settings, which will be on the bottom again. Once you're on your settings, you need to go with the audio section. Make sure that the correct microphone and speaker are selected. If you're using a headset, it should show up in the list. Also turn on the option for noise cancellation if it's available. This helps filter out background noise and reduces feedback. If you're still getting echo, ask other participants to mute their microphones when they're not speaking. Sometimes the echo is coming from their side, not yours. And finally, avoid joining the same Google Meet from multiple devices placed close together. If you must, make sure the mic and speakers are disabled and on one of them. Follow these tips and your audio will sound much cleaner. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.